Hydroponics how-to.
Gardening indoors. The spare closet garden. With a custom-fit PVC system, you can grow salad greens, herbs, and flowers in a small space. The two-level arrangement is perfect for maintaining a steady supply of fresh produce. To start seedlings and root cuttings, use a fluorescent light of 40 watts. Keep them in a 10-inch by 20-inch humidity domed flat on the lower level. For faster growth, use the remaining area for growing a mother plant. Once the cuttings or seedlings are well rooted, transplant them to the upper part of your closet for placement into your modified PVC system. To expose your plants to a high-intensity discharge (HID) lamp, keep it at least 24 inches from all surfaces. Installing a small vent fan in the ceiling is also necessary to prevent heat buildup. Growing produce in a small space. This system is designed to be low-maintenance, gravity-fed reservoir that lasts about 4 to 5 days between fill-ups. And the best part? You can grow plants up to 30 to 36 inches tall. Here's an example of how the author used the autopot system to grow peppers and tomatoes in a spare closet in garage. The author started the peppers from seed and the tomatoes were given to him by a customer. With forced ventilation and a shaded nursery area, stray light won't reach the main production area. The author also used a 2-inch thick foam board to insulate the plants from the cold concrete floor. The do-it-yourself greenhouse. Be aware that erecting any structure on your property may require review by the zoning board. It's important to check and get approval before starting your project. The author visited his neighbors before breaking ground to fill them in on his plans. It's a good idea to keep them informed and avoid any objections from them. The prefabricated greenhouse. But if you're short on time and want a hassle-free option, consider a prefabricated greenhouse. RION has a clever line of full-sized, prefabricated greenhouses that can be shipped by UPS. These nifty prefab houses snap together in a couple of hours and outlast many of their treated wood counterparts. They are affordable and require no maintenance for years. The professional greenhouse. What makes a greenhouse professional level? It's built with structural steel and/or aluminum and glass instead of wood, allowing for more light to reach plants. Professionally built greenhouses have a solid concrete foundation and often require permits and zoning variances. This ensures a sturdy and long-lasting structure. These greenhouses come in varying widths and lengths, and with a selection of trimmings like finial posts and aluminum roll-up shutters. Investing in a professionally designed and manufactured greenhouse can take your gardening to the next level. It's a long-term investment that can provide endless benefits.